Deep within the intricate folds of our brains, a silent symphony is constantly playing, a symphony that is both complex and beautiful. This is the symphony of our brain waves, electrical impulses that ebb and flow, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and experiences in ways we are only beginning to understand. These waves, though invisible to the naked eye, can be measured by a device known as an electroencephalogram or EEG, which provides a window into the brain's activity. Like the rhythmic beating of a drum, they pulse at different frequencies, reflecting the different states of our consciousness, from deep sleep to intense focus. Just as a conductor guides an orchestra, our brain waves orchestrate the complex workings of our minds, ensuring harmony and balance. From the quiet contemplation of a single note to the crescendo of a full symphony, each brainwave frequency corresponds to a distinct mental state, each playing its part in the grand composition of our lives. Understanding these rhythms is key to unlocking the secrets of the human mind, revealing the intricate dance of neurons that underpins our every thought and action. It allows us to understand how we learn, how we dream, and how we experience the world around us, providing insights into the very essence of what it means to be human. Imagine yourself lying on a sun-drenched beach, the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore. Your body is at ease and your mind enters a state of tranquil awareness. This is the realm of alpha waves. Alpha waves, oscillating at a frequency of 8 to 12 Hz, are dominant when we are awake but relaxed. They are associated with a state of calm focus, where we are receptive but not actively engaged. Think of the peaceful feeling you experience after a yoga session or a long walk in nature. This sense of serenity is often accompanied by an increase in alpha wave activity. Alpha waves are thought to play a role in creativity and problem solving. When our minds are relaxed and free from distractions, we are better able to access our subconscious and tap into our creative potential. The bustling streets of a city, alive with the sound of traffic and conversation, embody the energetic rhythm of beta waves. These waves are the soundtrack of our daily hustle, capturing the essence of our active, engaged minds. Ranging from 12 to 30 Hz, beta waves dominate when we are alert, attentive, and engaged in mental activity. They are the brain's way of keeping us sharp and ready to tackle the tasks at hand. Whether we are solving a complex equation, writing an essay, or engaging in a lively debate, our brains are buzzing with beta waves. These waves are the invisible threads that weave our thoughts together, enabling us to think critically and creatively. They reflect our active mind at work, processing information, making decisions, and navigating the challenges of daily life. Every keystroke, every idea, every decision is a testament to the power of beta waves. However, like a high-pitched note held for too long, excessive beta activity can lead to stress, anxiety, and restlessness. It's a delicate balance. Too much can overwhelm us, making it hard to find peace. Finding a balance between the focused energy of beta waves and the relaxed awareness of alpha waves is crucial for our well-being. This balance allows us to stay productive while also giving our minds the rest they need to rejuvenate. Just as a musician needs moments of rest between performances, our minds need periods of calm to counterbalance the demands of our busy lives. These moments of tranquility are essential for maintaining our mental health and overall well-being. As we drift off to sleep, our brainwaves begin to slow, transitioning into the mystical realm of theta waves, a state that bridges the conscious and subconscious mind. With a frequency of 4 to 7 Hz, theta waves are associated with deep relaxation, meditation, and the dreamlike state between wakefulness and sleep. This frequency range is often referred to as the gateway to our inner world. It is in this twilight zone that our minds wander freely, unconstrained by the boundaries of logic and reason. Here the mind is free to explore and create without the limitations of our waking consciousness. Vivid imagery, creative insights, and profound emotional experiences often surface in this state. These experiences can be deeply personal and transformative, offering new perspectives and ideas. Artists and writers throughout history have tapped into this ethereal realm for inspiration. The theta state has been a wellspring of creativity, fueling some of the most iconic works of art and literature. From the surreal landscapes of Salvador Dali to the stream of consciousness writing of James Joyce, the influence of theta waves can be seen in various forms of creative expression. These artists have harnessed the power of the theta state to bring their unique visions to life. Meditation practices, particularly those focusing on deep relaxation and mindfulness, can also induce theta brainwave activity, promoting a sense of inner peace and heightened awareness. This state of mind can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery.